love it though.
And with your boy, this boy, you got a seatbelt on?
I love it.
Put the seatbelt on. Big Pimp Ryan, we headed to Birmingham, baby. We got karaoke tonight. We got work to do.
Yep.
Tell them where they need to come to the square.
I started out Chris Dome.
The Chris Dome.
Here we go again. Sit back again.
Yeah, don't worry about it. Pull that bitch.
Yeah. Hey. Man, I got a seatbelt.
Work that bitch, Chris. I can do all things.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got it?
Yup.
He got his microphone. He finna start his... Jenny, you wrong. You wrong, Jenny.
I love it.
Yeah, he got his own microphone set up. I'm finna start him a radio podcast. He inspired. He said he wanted his own radio station. We leaving the radio station. We about to jump on the plane. Where we going, Chris?
Birmingham.
We headed to Birmingham. Nigga, we better jump on the plane. We just did a morning show in Dallas, Texas, and we are headed. Where we going, Chris?
Birmingham.
We are about to go out here to DFW Airport, jump on a plane, and head to the ham because we got what tonight, Chris?
Chris Dome.
Chris Dome, and what we having?
Karaoke. Chris Dome, baby.
It's about to be off the chain. We on the way.
Yup.
He got on this purple hat. Pimpin' ain't dead. Hoes need bread.
Yup.